Good afternoon everyone, I am Christoph Corsino from Group 2. Today, we are going to show you some experiment. What will happen if you try to wrap your remote with paper, plastic, aluminum foil, and towel? And what is the difference without it? So, let's start.
Hello, I am Joseph Daniel. Now I will demonstrate to you what will happen if I over the remote with paper. See, the remote is working. Let's over it now. The remote is still working even though I over it with paper. And see, the remote and the light of the remote is still visible even though I over it with the paper.
Hi, my name is Katrina Lola. Today, I will show you what will happen if I cover the remote control with a plastic. As you can see, the light on the remote control is still working even though it is covered with a plastic.
Hello everyone, I am Julian Peter B.M. Westro and I will test if a remote covered in towel will still work. After the test, we can conclude that a remote covered in a towel will still work.
Hello everyone, I'm James P. Vidal and I will test if a remote covered on the aluminum foil will work. After the test, we found out that a remote covered on the aluminum foil does not work.
Hi, my name is Sophia Mejia and I will show you how the remote control works without covering it. TV remote controls works in a similar way but using a type of light called infrared. The remote control has an LED light in it which flashes really quickly and emit a message which is then picked up by the TV. The remote is called the transmitter and the TV is called the receiver.
Hi, my name is Irene Corbetta and I will show you what will happen if I don't cover the remote. And it works well.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Alrijan Sebetita. Before we end our experiment, I will share some of my thoughts to our work. As you can see, some of them work but some don't, like aluminum foil. Aluminum foil and other electrically conductive metals such as copper can reflect and absorb the radio waves and consequently interferes with their transmission. So that's all. Thank you for watching our experiment. Bye-bye.